Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very super excited to draw one of the most iconic anime character of the all the time, Vegeta. So if you are a Dragon Ball fan or just love animes, make sure to stick around because this is going to be epic. Have you ever wondered you have a create those incredible anime drawing? Well, today's your chance to learn and analyze your inner artist. But wait, it is not going to be that easy. I love giving challenge to my viewers because it is helps to grow together. So there have a challenge for you. Try to draw a Vegeta without using any reference. That's right, to no cheating. It is let's see how well you know these characters. Now let's dive into the drawing process. But before that, let me to create the suspense for you. Did you know that Vegeta has the unique hairstyle that many find challenging to recreate? Well, today I will reveal to my tips and tricks and how to know that the gravity is defining these hairs.
Taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
And hey, if you are enjoying this video and want to see more amazing drawing tutorials, so don't forget to hit like button and also subscribe to my channel. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you miss an updates for me. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw Vegeta with me. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills. I will see you all in my next video where we will explore another exciting anime characters. Until then, keep drawing and stay inspired.